Hey everyone, thanks for watching. I'm Alex and this is AMRC. Tonight I'll be flying the UMX Timber X, and more importantly, I want to test out the camera on the new phone I got. Hope it'll make a big difference in the quality of my videos, especially the night flying ones. You see there's a bright moon, but it's somewhat to my right, almost behind me. Okay, let's see how it goes. It's a bit windy tonight. It's not actually just a bit windy, it's gusting. It shouldn't be too bad. So a good chance to test the feature this new phone has. It has noise reduction for wind. See later if it really works or not. Might take off flaps on. Let's turn them off. Yeah, definitely windy. Let's try and slow it down into the wind. Take off flaps. Landing flaps, so it's almost going backwards. Yep, it's kiting. That's unsafe, of course. I think I could keep it in the air without it right now. Okay. Okay, now wind calmed down. And it's back on again. Was with full flaps there. Wind gust stopped and started going down. Yeah, so it's not really advisable. You fly it very low when it's gusting. You can lose lift at any point. Okay, now I'm out of safe. Oop. No flaps. You can see it's pushing it around more. Oh, back in safe. I've had plenty of crashes on this. I want to add another one to the list. Okay, full flaps. Really low pass. Whoa. Having safe is a blessing. Otherwise I wouldn't be able to do these things. trying with it. All these crazy rolls. No, that's still unsafe. Almost hovering. I mean, yeah, probably I could do them, but once. It's a bit windy for a UMX tonight, but really wanted to try out this new phone. Of course, I would have rather bought a few new planes, but as the channels started growing, I want to make sure I have decent videos. There's nothing professional about this, but at least to give back everyone who's watching, and I thank you all very much for that. Really appreciate it. Yeah, so beside that cool moon, it's almost a full moon. Not a great night to fly. It's also getting colder. Yeah, now we have daylight saving time, so at least here at 5:30 p.m. it's dark, so I guess I'll be doing a lot more night flying till spring. It's also getting chillier. It's a bit tricky with those full flaps. If you go too slow, it tends to stall. Half flaps are okay. Okay, timer's running out. You get ready for a landing. Half flaps, nah. Okay, timer's up, 6 minutes. I know this battery can take more than 6. I've been pushing it very hard. Oh. That was strange. I think I was going too slow and the wind kept pushing it. I thought I lost control, but seems like all the controls are working. Ooh, that's a strange feeling. You have no control over the plane. Wasn't still in half flaps. I think those flaperons impact maneuverability, but I'm playing this small. Okay, something's off. Oh, what happened? I think my prop may be loose. Let me go check it out. If you saw my video of the Maven, my prop adapter melted or broke or whatever happened to it. I used a spare prop adapter that came with my Champus Plus, and I've got replacements since then, but I stuck to the Champus Plus spinner. Oh, it doesn't seem loose. Something's surely wrong with it. I'll have to take a look at this inside. Water seems fine. Well, that was a eventful-ish flight. Definitely something strange going on, but I'll see what it was. Thank you very much for watching, guys. Don't forget to like this video if you enjoyed it, subscribe if you haven't already, leave a comment, always appreciate that, and I'll see you next time. Bye.